up, ladies and gentlemen, and everyone in between? Welcome once again to the channel, Mom's Cooking with the Boys. Comment ça va? I hope you're great. Hi. We got our lovely mom, yeah.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, she's still looking pink still. Oh, boss. Anyways, she's looking good as always. And today we have a blast of a video for you. And sorry.
Yes.
Hey.
Another student of the Chef Academy.
Anyways, today we'll be doing pancake. Hope you got your tongue ready to, I don't know, to cooking pancake and yeah, they'll take it.
Alright, yeah, we have the flour, just the basic ingredients. Jesus Christ, the basic ingredients. We have the flour, we have sugar, egg, spring onion, sardine, butter, milk, pepper and tomato, and salt. That's just basically everything. So yeah, that's the ingredients. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Okay guys, that is it. If you like this video and destroy this smash button. I said destroy the like button. Smash it. Please subscribe. You not enjoy content and you not subscribe.
Yeah.
If you not subscribe,
Please try. We are going
no, not try. Do it.
We are humble, please.
Humility, what? If you enjoy and you laugh, finish.
Mommy boys, say please.
Please come.
Please.
Do it. Anyway, let's get to the video.
Alright guys, we're back again, and to start your pancake, yeah, that's what we're doing. You have to sieve the flour just in case there is any dirt or ingredients or anything apart from the flour. You only need the flour, right? So you sieve the heaven and earth out of it. You see some things you don't need. Maybe you will not see, the camera might not get it, but there are some things in it. So it's very useful to sieve it. You don't want some things in your food. Yeah, that's just. And depending on what you want to do, you can your own size or the amount of flour that you use is not basically you must use this quantity. You just choose your, depending on who you are making it for, how many you guys are, see, and that one again. Just like ants. Alright. That's
it to be coming out.
That should be almost all we're using now, since we have large.
Washing there, please Jim, you can be washing the pepper.
Alright, so this is the last batch. We're almost done with it. Okay, see, even more. So like those bugs that have to be inside, is it corn or something?
Corn. Once you know this one is the one they measure. Even if it's not the measure, but once you keep it for a little time, you start coming.
Uninvited guests.
They need food also.
Not in my food. Alright, so guys, we have sieved the flour. As you can see, you might not notice, but it's looking different. Alright, that's all.
What next? You are adding your dry ingredients like salt. This is salt.
Okay, we have our salt here.
You put a little, just like this.
Just one.
Just one. It's okay. Your sugar.
Plenty sugar.
Say sugar. Plenty. You don't take
Enough.
plenty. Just take.
Just enough.
I think 2
2 full spoons.
because it wasn't full. Just 2 full spoons.
Depending on what you are doing actually. So.
Tablespoon. So you now mix it.
Mix it with what?
Can you use this to mix it? If you like, you use it that way.
Okay, mix it with whatever you want to use and mix it. That's all. Okay.
So everyone, I'm mixing it now. Just listen. So I'm mixing it. I have to use my hand so that I can break it can be well mixed. I don't like it when, as you can see, there's still lumps. So I have to match it this way so that it will be very smooth. Even if it has lumps, there's no problem. It's still good. Like me, I don't like it like that. I like it smooth. Very, very smooth. So that's why I had to use my hand, just like this. Then, sorry, I didn't show you the water that I use. I pour the milk. I'm not advertising them. Pick milk. I pour half of it to the water before I pour it inside the flour. So this is it. See, it's okay now. I think it's okay. So we are breaking the egg.
So now what's left is to break the egg and then mix it inside the flour, right? Okay. So when we do that, we'll come back to you guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to like just add a little butter so it can look
so you
guys can fry the pancake. Yeah.
You bake it.
Young man, what are you doing?
Just like that, let it melt.
I'm melting the butter.
Okay. Then over here, we've already cut the spring onion.
Okay, take it. Come on.
Cut the spring onion. As you can see, this is the spring onion. Then we put onion. Yes. Then this is fresh pepper. Add it. If you like it, if you like pepper, you know African people now, trust me. You know they carry last for pepper. See, there's no pepper in your food. While I do. So that's it. I think that's okay. So this tomato, they're not using it now. Later, you will see the miracle behind it. Mix it like this.
Let's consider the butter. Use the butter around, right? Yeah. So it has melted. So now you're just going to add your. I'm not going to put this in very well.
Just put it.
Just
put it again.
Just put
another spoon.
And put another spoon.
Okay. Add half.
Again.
Okay.
Add small.
Yes. Increase it. If you do it this way, I like doing it this way. Turn it this way. So that it will be very flat. Okay. Just like doing mine like this. So anyhow you like to do your own, you can do it though. Okay. So the reason why I do it this way, it will be flat, very flat. It will not be. If you just pour it, when the thing is ready, it will be very thick. It will be thick like you are eating bread. But if you do it this way, it will be very light, and I like it light.
This is called a spatula.
Use it to turn it. Turn it and
no, I don't think we use the spatula to flip the.
Yeah, we know how a spatula works. Einstein.
It's just a explanation.
Do you think you can do it? Do you think you can flip that thing?
This thing.
See, if that thing put on my face.
Let me show you.
Stand by.
I like it to
Let me.
cook more.
When you cook, I'll show you what we call flip orama. You flip this thing.
It's your place. We hear some. Is it English, self? Is it English? More flip, let's see.
Don't spoil the food though.
Yeah, I want to see you.
This is what human beings are going
This is being stubborn. It's being naughty.
Go Jeffy. Go Jeffy. Go Jeffy.
Don't worry.
Go Jeffy.
I see.
Go Jeffy.
Flip. I said.
We have vlog that is non-stick pan. I didn't be his ordinary pan. Do you think he can do that?
would have carried a pan and put on his face now. Pan would have flipped it.
Flip now, flip. I still flip. So now we flipped it. Let the other side
Cook also.
cook. So you know, and don't try what I did. It's for experienced flippers. Allow me, experienced flippers. So that's just
I know that,
guys. we just latest news. We fumbled.
Almost.
Definition of
Almost.
We almost fumbled.
Yeah.
But we already made one. Definition of fumbling is you messed up. You forgot to add the sardine. The mix of the flour and everything.
Yes.
So the other one right there is going to be sardineless.
Jeff is going to eat that one to serve him as his punishment.
It's not my fault. We all split it 50-50. Okay.
So now we're adding the sardine. Sharp, sharp, sharp,
sardine
sharp.
to the
Just like that.
flour.
Just like that. Magic. Just like that.
Yeah, you mix it.
Yeah, it's good. It's okay. So you mix it well.
This is the sardineless pancake. The one without sardine.
Take that one out.
It's still good. It's still alright.
Still good. If you don't have sardines, not bad.
Oh la la! See this, mommy. See this.
That's it.
As you can hear the sound, it means it's dancing in the pan. It's moving around, swimming in the oil.
One thing.
Let me see, I'm not going to eat that one now.
Just turn let the oil go around.
Okay, we're doing the way mom did it that time. You make the oil circulate. It should.
Pour it in the fire.
Circulate. Mom, listen, I did it in France. I told you.
You have come again. But I want to do so that we leave the kitchen. I'm sweating. If not that I love cooking today. Let's see. This is mine. Okay, just now drop it. This one is thick. Said it that this one is much.
What's that for me?
Not to increase the fire. Ooh la la.
Alright, fire is high. One is ready, one is on fire, and we're gonna come back when we'll just be frying your rolls. We'll be frying your rolls. Just you understand how it's going already. You shake, you don't move it around so
if
it
you
light.
like, it's not by force.
Yes, but it's the recommended way because it's flaky and it's more light. So yeah, we move it around. Just move it around. So that's what that's about.
This is the final result. It's looking very, very yummy, I'm telling you. And Jeff did a great work with mom. Yeah.
Jeff.
My work is behind the camera, but you know.
You are part of it.
Yes, I'm part of it. So, anyways,
this can be served as breakfast.
With breakfast, something light, so you go easily,
yes.
you know.
Have it with tea.
Yeah, with tea, you know, use drink
Or
too. Anytime.
If it's in the evening, you can take it with drink.
It's almost good any day, so it's just simple and easy to make.
Easy to make.
It's just nice and light, so yeah.
Mom should try this. It's really good and nice. Try it.
So guys, that's pretty much everything. Really easy, short video is not something that's going to take too long, and that's pretty much it. If you like the content, be sure to smash the like button. This really helps the video. Subscribe if you know you love cooking and you know you love the content too, and leave a comment what you think, what you want us to do or anything. Just drop the comments, and that's pretty much everything. So guys, it's been nice, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Please.